They will impeach Nyaribo straight away with brand eyes. Like Nyaribo sit there, we are impeaching you, and there's no question.
Maraga is there. Simba Arati. No. Of course you've told me. No, let me just tell you this. Exactly.
Simba Arati will be disappointed.
You want to say Simba Arati has no option? He must join.
He must join. In fact, wacha yeye akamue, kimaliza kukamua, akuje.
Now, as we speak today, Maraga is there. Simba Arati. No. Of course you've told me. No, let me just tell you this. Exactly. Do you think Dr. King Fred Matiang'i's team, including you are somehow underrating Maraga?
We are not underrating Maraga.
Then what is it that you guys...
Maraga is a joker. Now, I've told you severally. Nikama...
Now, look at this. Let me put it this way.
Let me tell you. Nikama... brother Yokengo Matiang'i asimame kuuliza president. Asimame kufanya
kuuliza president.
Sasa itakuwa kichwa chake iko sawa? Kuuliza tu. That's the same way you want to bring this.
You know what the reason why I'm saying this? There's one thing that poses a threat through Maraga.
Yes.
If the youth decide it's him, even if opposition wants to be what?
So which youth?
The youth of Kenya.
Kwani Maraga alifanya nini hii yani kwa upheld na it was not comprehensive
character.
Which character?
Maraga is not corrupt. Did not steal anything.
Jokers.
So you want to tell me
dispute him completely all times that he comes on any table, tell him relax, support your brother. In fact, that's from me to Maraga. Mheshimiwa, Your Excellency, please support your brother. It is high time you support your brother. It ends there. It's not negotiable. We're not going to discuss how, where, and how. You should join direct
and to support the brother.
Support your brother.
Okay.
Now, that is when you will be not only reasonable, not only a elder in charge, but also your brotherhood in you. We can also think like, oh, now this, next time, kama Okengo atafanya kazi mzuri, tutafikiria nani?
Maraga.
No, we can give him a chance.
Maraga is old.
So
right
I don't
now,
know where
after
he decided to wake up and say he wants to be the president.
He said people went to him and told him, Maraga, can you try this? So he tried.
Watu gani wa kijiji? Ama ya kijiji limuita lakini.
Hakuna mtu alimuita. Okay. Now, the other question is this. Do you think Simba Arati, being the other side, he can destabilize the Gusii region? Or maybe he can take some votes to William Ruto? Because he appears to be formidable.
On what? By giving
mobilization and campaigns. He's a strong candidate. We all know Simba Arati is a strong mobilizer, is a strong political...
I can't dispute him.
Strategist.
Kwa kupamba...
Ni mnyama? Ni mnyama.
Au ni mnyama. Huyo hata wakosea heshima vibaya sana.
Sindio? So what should happen?
He has numbers. But also, when it matters of the nation come on board, I'm sure Simba Arati will be disappointed. He is going to be UDA. Take this one to the bank. He will be disappointed. He has been our best candidate at heart. But if he will stand to support UDA, my friend, hiyo tu hata tukiangalia nitamwambia boss hapo tumekuramba including personally me I won't vote you because you are UDA. I can work with you, yes, but the day of voting, I vote you out.
So you want to say Simba Arati has no option, he must join.
He must join. In fact, wacha yeye akamue, kimaliza kukamua, akuje. But nyumbani ni home, and that's where he belongs.
Recently we saw there are allegations, not allegations, the conversation is around that James Ongwae is going to vie for the senatorial seat in the Gusii region. Do you think it complicates some matrices for Dr. King Fred Matiang'i in Gusii County?
Kwani is vying from which party?
Probably. Yeah. Okay, right now he's a very close ally of William Ruto.
So I've told you wewe ngoja. Unaona vile ilifanyika Kerenyo? That's the trend. Hiyo ingine sahau.
Wataanguka.
Uliona vile ilifanyika Kerenyo? Nyamaia. Uembe ni huo. Hakuna. Kwani nani akuja kukambini Kerenyo? Everybody was there. The entire brigade of UDA was there with cash. Hello.
Mandege.
Munakuja kukabinia na mandege. Yeye mwenyewe ana yani. Lakini mliona nini?
Alioshwa.
Sasa hivyo ndio ile. Yaani get the real copy at the ground.
Hivyo.
Na watu waliamua kulinda kura. Hakuna ufara. Kura linda.
What happened?
Huwezi kuja ukachange. Yenye tumepigia ni huyu.
Mbona mlikimbisha Osoro hadi nasikia akapanda juu ya mti?
Osoro hapo unajua is a very young man who was bright future but anaibingi kila wakati. Si ulisikia mama mwingine akimwambia huwezi kuja hapa wewe kabo nini? Sauti Mugirango ukae huko. Hapa ni kwetu. Hapa huwezi kuja kutuongoza. Na hapa ni kwa Okengo Matiang'i.
Hivyo.
Matiang'i kwenye alituambia tupige wacha kuleta kelele.
Ni hapo.
Where is not required. So he has one way. In fact hata yeye akirudi tu kwa Matiang'i still is the next MP. Raisi hivyo. Anybody who is going to support Matiang'i is going to be the next MP.
The next MP.
The 9 MPs in Gusii County, all of them watatoka kwenye Matiang'i atasema watu wasimame. Alisema hata wasimame kwa Mua Party. Mtu ni Mua Party my friend. Lakini hiyo ni sure.
Right now we are having Dr. Okengo Matiang'i doing his political activities across the country.
Yes.
So far, do you think he's okay?
Yeah, Matiang'i right now unajua he's a very cool guy and under his thinking and reasoning unajua the gear of campaign not yet but he's trying to check waters in every angle. Where are we sober, are we okay? And lastly there is a way he always represent himself. The package of Matiang'i is fire. Wamunyora nakasirika yeye kwa nini Matiang'i atusi our president William Ruto. You don't need to abuse the president for your point to be driven home. No.
But Wamunyora hasn't said that. He has just said that we are not criticizing the government. That's what
you don't criticize the government by abusing the people in power of the day. You don't. But you can criticize the government with the pure words that are recommended across the board. Unajua, I think Okengo Matiang'i has that belief that he's a father, he's a church elder, and they believe in God. There are people who are saved genuinely. They have no reason to abuse you to deliver the point home. They will tell you no, that's you upuzi mnafanya hii ndio itafanya tutaharibu hii nchi yetu na sisi wenyewe. Unajua hakuna haja ya kuja kukuambia wewe ni muongo, wewe ni muaji, wewe ni mwizi and all those things. It doesn't really add up. And also you will also be the president. Matiang'i he will be the president. Would he wish to be called those such names?
Of course no.
Thank you. So do the right thing that you want, even your enemies to be done.
Sure.
I think that's the rule and the slogan of Matiang'i. Okay. Do the right thing that in case we are given a chance, we will be there. We will be given the same respect. Sure. Because hata wewe utashindwa kwenye unaamka uanze kuita Matiang'i majina. Himself doesn't.
I do live every day.
Yes.
At Mukwa Times. And the show is called The Organic Show. Where people say things the way they are.
Yes.
Yes. And one thing that came up when I was talking about Matiang'i is that somehow, miraculously, when Gachagua goes for any function, goons are sent, jaggers are there. Yes. But Matiang'i, it doesn't happen. Apart from that, even the government machinery, it does not attack Matiang'i. What is
I've told you, why? Everybody in power must be respected. Must.
Yes.
Have you used the word?
Must.
Must be respected.
Yes.
Including you. Your own children and your brothers.
They need to respect me, but
they must respect you because you are the elder brother.
yeah.
Either you are in a mistake, either you are not. They need to address you
with respect
in a decorum manner.
Yeah.
Without that one, mutakaa tu ni nyumba ya kuvurugana. And people cannot take you seriously when you throw tantrums to them to deliver a point.
Sure.
Ni kama ukuje kwa nyumba yako upate kweli kikombe iko hapa, mtoto amejiendea choo hapa, and here you are, mama anakula and is comfortable. You don't really tell mama, please, with due respect, kwanza toa uchafu. Ya pili, toa vikombe kwenye watu wanapita. Ya tatu, kuja tuketi tufanye nini? Tukule. With a lot of orderness.
Okay.
And I'm sure that family will be very reasonable. Na atakwambia akae akitadi pole. Because this happened without, and you have corrected her in a very lovely way. But if you come, mara umerusha ile kikombe ndio umemrusha, umemgonga, kenda kukanyaga hivi umekanyaga ile maneno imeharibika,
vitu vimeenda south.